So over here we have nice, thick, comfy Chanel throw. There's a wooden cutting board behind the oven mitt here, and this is a cheese board. It's a beautiful ceramic cheese board. And then I have a glass plate, some all-purpose and dish cleaners, some lotion. These are coasters that I made. And this is a candle that I made. I make all types of bath and body products. I have a business that I was already doing. That's one of the things when I said I do other things, that's one of the other things I have. So that's another business. I blend some of those products in my baskets from time to time. So this is one of my candles. I made this actually, I came up with this one. I started doing this one during Mother's Day, and I really liked it so much I decided to keep on going with it. So yeah, this is the idea that I have for it right now. I did actually have it in this basket, but I think this basket is a little bit too short. I needed something deeper for all this. Is a lot of height, even though it's not inside, sitting inside of it, it's actually sitting on top. You know, it still looks better this way, I think. So, and this over here, let me move out of the light, sorry. So this over here, wire basket with some hand towels that I have covered the bottom part with so you can't see through the inside of the wire basket. And then we have all kinds of gourmet foods in here, some flatbreads and sardines and specialty jams and fruit spreads, artichokes, olives, pasta. There's a, and it, you turn it around. Ooh, I'll get that. And I have some chocolate, some ginger candy, coffee, and cookies. So I made these coasters. Okay. And the plate over here, by the way, I did this because I do etching, and I don't know if you can see that. Okay. I don't think you can see the etching in here. Yeah. I don't think it's coming up on the camera. So I did etching, and there's etching on the plates over here as well. So there's a large glass plate and then a salad plate in there. I also added one of those gray plastic plates. I put one of those in there as well because this is like breakfast in bed type of relaxation, like you know, however they want to work with this. And then you see the spatula. This would be nice for syrup or butter, whatever. Whatever they want to put, cream, right? And then there's a picture frame, a TV stand or lap stand for you to hold it, you know, the tray to hold. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm so sorry, guys. This decorative tray here, this just, I love this. I love stuff like this. That and the tea towel, and then the waffle maker along with the sparkling cider.